Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how we can remove background of an image using Excel. As you see here, I have this image and I change it to this one. If you see it helpful, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment and subscribe. Let's start. First, I delete this one. Then select it, picture format. Here we have remove background option. Now if I accept the change, you see how it appears, but I don't want this. Control that. For example, remove background, mark areas to keep. For example, I want to keep here. You see? Also, I want to keep here. Good. A little more. Good. I want to keep here also. For example, I want to remove this one. Good. I want to keep here also. I think it's good now. Also, I want to keep here. Remove. Good. Now, let's see how it appears. Yes. That's all. Have a nice day.